Here we're asked to algebraically solve each system of equations and name the method that we use, and then graphically check your answer. So real quick, just on the graphically part, I'm not going to show that because I don't have a graphing calculator to cast on this, but basically if you graph it and then you just see where they intersect, that will tell you your solutions, your coordinates that cross, so your x and your y. So that being said, when I'm doing this first problem here, it's a little bit of a challenge because it doesn't seem like it's set up for substitution. Looks more set up for elimination, but none of the x terms are the same. None of the y terms are the same. So I'm going to have to use some multiplication to change what they look like so that I can then add or subtract them to eliminate. So I'm actually going to multiply this top equation by 3. I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by 2, because what that will end up giving me is, what is that, 21x minus 6y equals 9, and then 4x plus 6y equals 66. And now I can see that my y terms here, if I add the two equations, will cancel out. So this becomes 25x, this becomes 0, and this becomes 75. Then I have a pretty simple equation here to find that x is equal to 3. Remember, with a system of equations, I still need to find my y value, so I always kind of need to use substitution by plugging that back in and solving for y. So this becomes 6 plus 3y equals 33, which then becomes, when I subtract 6 from both sides, 27. And then divide by 3, and I get my y value of 9. So my solution here is x equals 3 and y equals 9, or 3 comma 9. The second one here seems to be set up nice and easy for substitution because it already tells me y equals all this. So I'm just going to plug that into that second equation here and make sure I distribute correctly so that I can solve for x. So distributing this negative 1/2, so I get 3x. That was at minus 2x minus 1. And now I'm combining like terms, adding 1 to both sides. We get x equals 2. Then I'm going to plug that back in using substitution. So y equals 4 times 2 plus 2. Y is equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10. And so my solution here is just 2 comma 10, or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 10.